Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can add people to your Twitter circle. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Twitter app. Now once you're on the home page, just tap on the compose button at the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to select tweet. Now I didn't see an option in the settings or anything like that. Maybe I missed something, but all you would need to do from here to add people to your Twitter circle, you can see here where it says everyone, just click on that with the drop down arrow, and then you can see here it says everyone and then Twitter circle. So what you want to do now is you just want to tap on edit. You don't see an option here to add people, but if you go to the recommended tab, you can now search for different people. So let me search for something. Let me search for Xbox, just a random account. And then you can see Xbox pops up with all these different pages, and you can select add on the right hand side, and now that account has been added to my Twitter circle. You can continue searching for different accounts. So let's go PlayStation, and then you just want to tap on add. Go through that process until you've added all the people that you want to add into your Twitter circle. Then you can tap on done at the top right hand corner. And then you can compose your tweet. You can see it's going out to my Twitter circle. And then when you're done, just tap on tweet at the top right hand corner, and that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.